before America had president. Before the stars and stripes flew proudly across the land, there was one man who changed everything. This is the story of George Washington before the man who became the first president of the United States and the father of a nation. He did not have a formal education like many leaders of his time, but he was sharp, observant, and deeply ambitious. At just 20 years old, Washington joined the Virginia militia. His first major challenge came during the French and Indian War, where he learned the hardship of military life. Though not always successful, Washington gained a reputation for bravery and resilience. By 1775, tension between the American colonies and Britain had reached a boiling point. The Continental Congress appointed George Washington as Commander-in-Chief of the Continental Army. Through bitter winter at Valley Forge and crucial victories like the Battle of Trenton, Washington held the army and the revolution together in 1781. His leadership helped defeat the British at Yorktown, effectively ending the war. After the war, Washington wanted to retire, but the nation needed him once again. In 1789, he was unanimously elected as the first president of the United States. He served 2 terms, setting the tradition. Washington helped shape the presidency, the Constitution, and America's national identity. He refused to become a king, choosing instead to step down in 1797. After leaving office, Washington returned to Mount Vernon, his beloved state, just 2 years later. On December 14, 1799, he passed away at the age of 67. His death shook the young nation, but his legacy lived on in every freedom America enjoyed, in every leader followed. George Washington was not perfect. He was a man of his time. He owned slaves. Those he let freed them in his will. Yet his dedication to American independence, his refusal of power, and his vision for democracy made him the icon he is today. He did not just lead a revolution. He defined what it meant to be American. From soldier to general, from president to patriot, George Washington laid the foundation for a new world. He was just the first president. He was the first American. If you found this story inspiring, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe for more history videos and tell us in the comment what do you admire most about George Washington.